Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how I fixed a fan heater combo that wasn't working. The fan wasn't working, so just real quick, how to take this out and fix it. You don't need to go up an attic or anything. Anyways, this is going to be on there like this. To take this off, just put your finger on the side and just kind of pop it out. If you can't get your finger in there, maybe a little knife or something, a butter knife, just get in there to put that hook in a little bit. Okay? Alright, then you're going to need to take out your light bulb. Just unscrew that, make sure your power's off. Okay, and then it's just going to have one little screw right here. Probably be able to unscrew it with your hand, just like that. And this is going to come down here like that. You just unplug this. Well, normally. Okay, just unplug it. And then you can, if you have a vacuum attachment, try to get as much dust as you can. Just kind of vacuum this all up here. See if I can push that back into place there. There you go. Alright, so you want to vacuum the fan. This is the fan that wasn't working. The heater was working fine. So the fan had a lot of dust up in there, so I vacuumed it, but it still wasn't working. So what I used was this one here. It's called U Ultra Lube. 4 times more lubrication. And I just put a little hose in there. I think it came with one, but I lost it, so I used one from another can. Pretty much have to have that, or else it's going to be really messy. Also, make sure that you put goggles on, something for eye protection. You want to spray this up there and get it all over in your eyes. So basically what I did was I just kind of bent the hose up there and made it so it was on the stem of the motor. So, and I put my fingers as kind of like a backing on the other side. So when I sprayed it, it would get on that stem that's attached to the fan that goes in the motor, and then the lubrication would run down into the motor and help get that going again. And then I just ran my fan. Okay, so now we're working good now. So do that a couple times. Turn the fan on, let it run a little bit, turn it off, squirt some more up in there, and just try to make sure that it hits the stem and runs down kind of into the motor. And like I said, make sure you wear eye protection just in case it doesn't splatter in your eyes. And that is a pretty easy fix. It's working good now. This is about a 20-year-old fan, I guess, and it's still going good. I think it's original with the house, so every once in a while yours might get clogged with dust or whatever, so it's something you can use to get it running again. You don't have to buy a new one. So then you just reassemble everything. I guess I can show you that real quick, how to put it back together. So just get our light bulb here and plug that back in. Should only go in one way. And that will hold that till we go find our screw again. Where did that go? Thought I just dropped it down. Oh, here it is. Alright. Alright, just get your thing lined up. Usually how I do it is I look through, get as far away as I can and look through it until I can see the screw that's sticking down, and then I just kind of follow that onto there like that. So there we go. Line up your thing so it's nice and square, and just get the little nut there and screw it on. And this one doesn't have to be super duper tight, it's not going to come out of there. So there we go. Take your light bulb, screw that in, and then if you want to test it before you put your cap on, that's working fine. Light's working. Okay. And you can take the opportunity to sometimes you get like flies or whatever in this thing. Just kind of wash it out. You're good to go. Get all the dust out. Put it in there. have it, my friends. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.